Hello and welcome to the Falcon. In this video, I'm going to show you how the app works. So let me demonstrate the Falcon. After login, you will be able to redirect to this dashboard page. Falcon is our brand new application and it's a AI powered WhatsApp automation tool. As you can see, here is the three statistics like total AI content, whatever you have created, total AI pages, total status downloads. Okay, let me come to the left hand menu. First of all, we will be find all of our training over here. Here is our upgrades and these all are the AI generated features. So first feature is AI WhatsApp text. By using this feature, you can create the WhatsApp message. Okay, so let me show you an example. Suppose here I am writing affiliate marketing. Okay, and click on the submit button, and yeah, as you can see, the WhatsApp text message has been created successfully. So you just need to copy and using it to your WhatsApp. Okay, here is WhatsApp channel name. By using, you can create the WhatsApp channel name. Suppose here I am type like make money. Okay, and click on the submit button. As you can see, all the channel name has been created with the power of AI. Here is WhatsApp pages. Firstly, I am just going to let you know you can't add the direct affiliate link or direct promotional link to your social media account like WhatsApp. Based on that, you need a landing page or any kind of promotional page. So for that reason, this feature is created. With this feature, you can create a landing page. Okay, and in this landing page you can add your affiliate link. So this is totally drag and drop. Let me show you one of the example. So this is the drag and drop builder. You can simply edit it. Your WhatsApp channel. So you can add any content, any link over here and simply download and promote through your WhatsApp. Okay, so now next the feature is called WhatsApp image. By using this feature, you can generate the AI powered WhatsApp image. It's a pretty cool. Suppose I am right like Dr. Owl and hit the generate result button. Yeah, image has been created successfully. Here is a WhatsApp video. You can simply create WhatsApp video by using this feature. Suppose here I am writing like car and create the result. As you can see, all the car related video over here. So you just need to download and you can go ahead with your WhatsApp account. Here is hashtag. This feature is created for the WhatsApp hashtag purposes. Like here I am writing like food and click on the submit button. As you can see, all at the hashtag has been created successfully. So just need to copy and go ahead. And here is another powerful feature. It's called WhatsApp status maker, and by using this feature you can download your status from our software and upload in your WhatsApp account. So let me show you. As you can see, this is the totally the drag and drop basis. You can easily edit anything over here. You can add video, you can add image, you can add text, you can add elements, anything you can add here and download and upload as your WhatsApp status. So whenever we test it, we download the image, video and text from our Falcon software and upload on our WhatsApp, and we have get traffic and sales. Okay, and this is a very powerful feature. It's called get traffic features. You can easily blast your WhatsApp channel to 100+ traffic sources. So yeah, whenever we test it with this software, we have received both traffic and sales. Thank you so much.